Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is llaeth, which means milk. Llaeth, as in llaeth o Gymru, milk from Wales. Llaeth, milk.